Today we have the 2023 Toyota RAV-4. This is a hybrid electric petrol vehicle. It has done just over 20,000 miles with an automatic transmission. To the left of our steering wheel, we have voice control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have cruise control and automatic wipers. Moving on to our screen, we can access navigation, radio and media, smartphone integration, our trip information, web browser and settings. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 degrees camera with parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control with heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.